Hello, in front of me I've got BF6. In this video I'll show you how to unlock Combat Engineer. To unlock Combat Engineer, let's go to Loadouts and go to Engineer. Enter Training Path and Combat Engineer. Go to, and to unlock Combat Engineer, you have to unlock second challenge. In the first challenge, you have to repair vehicle health as engineer 2000 points and earn scores as engineer 10,000 points. For the second, you have to deal damage to ground vehicles with launchers as engineer and with anti-vehicle mines as engineer. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.